Okay, let's do one thing. Let's put one text here and for hash, and let's name it as bar plot. So in order to do the bar plot, we need to do some kind of pre-processing or some kind of transformation in our data. So let's look into our DF here, and what we have here: years, sales, and also the year values and the quarter is there. So in order to do the bar plot, in order to visualize the bar plot, let's do one thing, the basic way of visualizing the bar plot. And remember, this bar plot will be used to apply for only the categorical data, for example the year, and only for the quarter. For example, I want to understand the uh, year by year, the sum of sales or total sales which was happening 2001. I want to compare with 2002, 2003, and 2004. So those kind of things we can do in the bar plot. So in order to do that, what we need to do here is that we need to do the group by. So let's do the group by here. So let's take the two data here. One is my sales, and second one is my year. And what I'll do here is that I'll apply the group by here. So group by my group by here is by year. I'll try to group by and sum of all the sales, which I get the total sales in each and every year. So perfect. So this is what the group by and what I'll get here. So what I'll do, I'll just name it as df underscore year, which is what the group by years. All right, so what I'll do here now is that I don't want to use as my set as index. Instead, what I'll do here is that I can do the reset index. I'll just reset my index because I can do it in even in my Seaborn. So perfect now. So what I did is that I took the df underscore year, and as you can see, this is what the data in 2001, this is what the sales, and down to this is what 2578 sales has been happened, and so on. So we can do the simply bar plot by sns dot, we have the cat plot is there. So using the cat plot, and you just mention the x-axis is my year and y-axis is my sales. That's it. So what I'll do, I'll specify the data is equal to df underscore year. Perfect. Now that's it, guys. So what you can find here is that, oh, we got the dots here. Yes, you need to mention the kind of plot I'm looking for. Instead of scatter, I'm looking for the bar plot. So basically I've got the scatter plot here. Instead of that, I'm looking for the nice bar plot is being got by specifying the cat. And let's do one more thing, let's expand that, and we have the aspect is there, and let's specify aspect is equal to this. And what this aspect will talk about, width by height is what the aspect ratio. So width is 3 times my height. So we can see the nice bar plot which can easily be using the cat plot or using the seaborn. Perfect. And we can also do this using the pandas. So let's do one thing. I'm having the df underscore here, he's there with me. I can use using the pandas also, but in order to work on with pandas, what you need to do here is that you need to reset your index. So I need to reset my index. So what is the index I just want to reset is the here is what my I'm just resetting it, and this is what the data. Oh, it's not reset, it is set index. So if I set the index, and this is what the data I'm having here, and what I'm doing now is that I'll just plot it, and the kind of plot I'm looking for is the bar. So perfect, and you got the nice blood plot, but no colors, only one single color is being happen. It's okay. So what I'll do here is that I'll just increase the figure size. Just now we did the last time, like in a fig comma axis is plc dot figure and fixed size, which is my 10,6 or 15. Let me take the 15 here because it's nice, and plt dot show. So let's look into here. Oh, we got some error. Yeah, it's a subplots. Yeah. Oh yes, I need to mention that axis is equal to axis, x is equal to x, so that is going to fit my nice bar plot which you can able to see a1 in the pandas. So the excellent thing, that was a very excellent thing which we can able to do here. So in the next lecture we will see how to do the stacked bar plot. Means what I want to know is that, okay, this is the total sales which been happened in 2001, but I just want to analyze a quarter by quarter. Means in 2000 what is the sum of sales happening in the quarter 1, quarter 2 and quarter 3 and so on. So I just want to analyze those kind of information even in the pandas. Okay, let's see in the next class. Let's see in the next lecture more on stacked bar plot. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. In the upcoming videos we are going to watch about the powerful visualizations on time series data like area plot, bar plot, heat maps, etc. So we are going to see all those things in this upcoming videos. Please find the description for the URLs below on the visualizations on time series data. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Data Science Anywhere for more videos and projects on data science. Thank you very much and happy learning.